A saltwater aquarium requires the addition of half a cup of salt per gallon to obtain the correct salinity. How many cups of salt are needed for a tank in the shape of a rectangular prism measuring 137 centimeters by 69 centimeters by 30 centimeters? Round to the nearest tenth of a cup. Here we first have to determine the volume of the tank. This tank is in the shape of a rectangular prism. The volume of a prism in general is equal to the area of its base times its height. Once we figure out the volume, we convert to gallons and then to cups of salt using conversion factors. So we start out with our formula. The volume of a prism equals the area of the base times the height. For a rectangular prism, the base is a rectangle. The area then of the base is equal to the length times width. In this case then, the volume is equal to the length times width, which takes the place of the area of the base, multiplied by the height. In our case, we have the length, 137, the width, 69, and the height, 30. Substituting that in gives us a volume of 283,590 centimeters cubed. This is also the same thing as 283,590 milliliters, since 1 centimeter cubed is exactly the same as 1 milliliter. We then have to convert this into gallons. Starting out with our result in milliliters, we use a conversion factor to first convert to liters, 1,000 milliliters per liter. We then convert from liters to gallons. Each liter is approximately 0.26 gallons. This gives a result of 73.7 gallons. We then must convert that 73.7 gallons into cups of salt. To do this, we use the conversion factor, 0.5 cups of salt needed for every 1 gallon. This gives a result of 36.9 cups rounded to the nearest tenth.